How to testing ATS panel 400 amperes. This is a system of genset, electricity and load cable. This is it, two links, number 1 and number 2. This is a load, electricity number 1, genset number 2. This is a ATS panel, auto manual motorized ATS. Now installation this panel. This is a load side. This is the incoming genset electricity. Caterpillar generator 250 kVA. How to testing this? This is the position of this lever removing. You see 1, 0 and 2. How to test? Came the lever. Now this have genset. This is a 2 genset and 0 off and 1 electricity. Now I testing this and not short circuit. Change cover. This is the off position. Now this off. Now this change the number 1. This is a number 1. Now I testing number 1. Now I test electricity number 1. This is sound you see. Now see this second pole L2, now L3. This is the OK link. This another check the short, not shorted. Not have shorted this too. Actually this is electricity is okay. Now I change this breaker position 2 genset and testing. Now I genset number 2. This is a stoppage. Now I turn number 2. Okay, now I turn to test the genset link. You see sound? Okay this. Okay this. It is a 4 link, 3 phase and 1 newtons. This is okay. And check the another short. Not have linking this. Okay, this no problem. This genset is clear. Testing. Now this ATS is off position. I check the short circuit. Any short circuit? Not have. Electricity and genset maybe short circuit, maybe. This is now not short. This is now check electricity. Now the genset. Not have any short circuit. This is a clear my ATS panel. Now I fix it and termination starting.